Alright everybody, this is TheChromesnake. We got a can of red Tilt, 12% alcohol by volume. .24-ounce can. Hope y'all can see that. And since this is my first Tilt video and my first attempt at the shotgun, I have never tried to shotgun a beer or any kind of beverage whatsoever in real life, ever. This will be my first attempt ever. I'm going to do it on video. And here's my face. Y'all see my face. So that way there's no confusion, there's no debate. Still going to put on the goggles. We got the claw. Gonna have to remove the one glove. And I've seen guys do it by punching the hole and cracking at the top. And I've seen guys do it, I don't know which way works better. Matter of fact, I'm going to take both gloves off. As far as I can tell, it appears to me that the pros, okay, there's the top, there's all of the bottom, there are no holes in it. Seems to me, real pros that I've seen doing it, let's see, we want it to go that way, right? Punch the hole in the bottom and drink it from the hole. When I say pros, I'm talking, goddammit, the damn Mexican Connection, motherfucking DJ Entertainment for Less, and Doughboy Jr., Slick MTZ 80. Seen these guys doing a lot of shotguns and goddammit, Sergio and Tiny Tim Roushshader. They all seem to like to punch the holes far. I may be wrong on that, guys. Sorry if I'm getting it wrong, but it seems to me that that's the guys I've seen punching their holes in the bottom of their cans. Oh no! I lost a little bit. Shook it up too much, I guess. Did I get that on me? It's no fun if you don't get any on you. Ran out of air. I think I got a little bit left in there. Didn't get a very big hole in it either. That kind of fucked me. Well, there you have it, friends. That's my first attempt. Oh. Well, that was my first attempt at a shotgun. History in the making, right there, boys and girls. Damn, man, I got it on my coat and everything. Well, Clearly the method needs to be refined, huh? Hope you enjoyed it.